Now we're going to add something called score, because in any game you need to be able to get the score. So we're going to head over to a script section called data, and we're going to add a variable. And basically a variable is a way to add numbers and so forth. So I'm going to name this variable score, and we're going to press that. And what we're going to do now is we're going to set the score into this section here and just move it up. Just move it up, put it in there, and whenever someone touches whenever they're touching the B, then we're going to add the we're gonna add the change score here by 1. So now you can see we've got the score 0 here. So let's try that. Let's see how good I am. Oh, already game over. Game over again. Got to be quick. Oh, I got 1 there. And there we go. That's how to do it. The other thing we could finally do is change the stage by going into the stage section and just choosing a new backdrop. But you know how to do that now. And I hope you enjoyed that, and enjoy making these fun games.